Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 most beautiful women on earth today. Number 10, Aishwarya Rai from India. Born on 1 November 1973, place of birth Bangalore, India. Height 1.7 meter. Parents Brindya Rai and Krishnaraj Rai. An Indian actress, model and the winner of the Miss World 1994 pageant, Aishwarya Rai holds the 10th spot amongst world's most beautiful women. In addition to her successful acting career, she has often been called the most beautiful woman in the world. Alexandra Daddario from USA. Alexandra Daddario, the lady with world's most amazing blue eyes, her soaring popularity make her at 9th place in the list of most beautiful women in the world. This pretty American actress has Italian, Irish, Hungarian, German and English ancestry. In addition to her glamorous but sexy figures, Daddario, also known as the celebs with most beautiful eyes in the world. Alexandra Daddario, the actress best known for her roles in Percy Jackson film series. Number 8, Fariha Evcen from Turkey. One of the best looking Turkish actress, Fariha, comes at number 8 in our list. Fariha is known for the most beautiful eyes and perfectly chiseled jawline. She also known to have a smile that can melt your heart. Born to the Turkish and German parents, she is a winning package. She can speaks 4 languages: Turkish, German, English and Spanish fluently. Number 7, Emma Watson from UK. Emma Watson from United Kingdom. This 28 years old British actress, model and activist shot to fame at early age of 11 from the Harry Potter series. She was born in Paris, France to the English lawyers Jacqueline Husby and Tris Watson. Watson lived in Paris until the age of 5. This most gorgeous woman is quite a youth icon right now. Number 6, Selena Gomez from USA. The prettiest young American star Selena Gomez once again topped the most beautiful women in the world list. She topped the 2020's ranking of the most beautiful girls in the world as well as most beautiful ladies. Beauty is the most debated topic in the world and there is no ever clear winner. One who considered most beautiful at one time may lose her position at another time by someone else. Number 5, Penelope Cruz from Spain. The Spanish actress and model Penelope Cruz made her amongst the world's most beautiful women of all time at number 5. She is one of my favorite actresses, Cruz. The first Spaniard actress in history to receive an Academy Award and a star to the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Number 4, Madhuri Dixit from India. Born on 15 May 1967, place of birth Mumbai from India, profession actress and dancer. Children Ryan Neen, Areen Neen. One of India's most beautiful actress, Madhuri Dixit, comes at number 4 amongst most beautiful women in the world. She is most award-winning actress in India. In addition, she is one of world's best dancers. No doubt Dixit is world's class versatile actress from India. Number 3, Charlize Theron from South Africa. Born on 7 August 1975, place of birth Benoni, Gauteng, South Africa. Height 1.77 meter. Profession actress. Charlize Theron is third on the list of most beautiful women in the world. South African born, Theron named Time 100 most influential people list in 2016. She is one of the most beautiful women with beautiful eyes around. Number 2, Megan Fox from USA. Born on 16 May 1986, place of birth Oak Ridge, Tennessee, United States. Height 1.63 meter, profession actress and model. One of the modern female sex symbols, Megan Fox comes at number 2 amongst most beautiful women in the world. She is one of the most amazing eyes female celebs in the world. Number 1, Angelina Jolie from USA. Angelina Jolie topped the most beautiful women list. She is fun, honest, intelligent, gorgeous, and divinely talented. She embraced her duties as UN Goodwill Ambassador. She is an iconic actress in the world. The selection includes only those women who have achieved a fair level of celebrity based on glamour, popularity, confidence, intelligence, desirable, and success ratio. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.